Hello and welcome back to my garage. Today, just a quick tip for me to you about saving a little bit of money. You know that I'm all about saving money and this is a really good one. How much of you guys don't just buy complete new spark plugs, put it in the pay for it, put it in the car of course, and throw the old one away? But did you know that you also can change the spark plug sparker? Yes, it's not really common, and one of the reasons of course is they want you to buy the whole spark plug and not just the sparker. That's just the business side of things. And of course these simple ones are not that expensive, maybe a couple of bucks, so who cares? But if you have those new idiom kind of spark plugs, those can get really expensive. And if you just get the sparkers, then well, it saves you a lot of money. If you can buy one spark plug, then you have 4 sparkers. So yeah, it's all up to you if you want to do a little bit more work. How do you change one of these sparkers? Well, it's not that complicated. Removing is quite easy. Just take the tip and just twist it a little bit. It is just press fitted in there. Just like so. And here you have only the spark plug sparker. This one is quite a bit worn. If I get a new one. As you can see, the new one is quite a bit longer. And what you do is just take your spark plug, put it back in there. Just give it a couple of taps. Just be sure that it's in there quite good. And as you can guess, isn't something you can do multiple times. But most of the time I can get, I think, about 3 or 4 times out of a spark plug. By then the porcelain is quite worn and then the sparker won't set very well. Of course you can fill it up with something, but that's not the proper way to do it. And of course you have saved a lot of money by then, so who cares? Nothing more to do about this. The old one we're going to throw away in the trash and the new one is going into the car. And that's it for this quick tip. Hopefully you enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it. And if you did, please give it a like. If you want to follow me around, you know what to do, and I will see you next time. Bye!